Do you know that 60% of global internet traffic comes from mobile users, and more than 56% of all e-commerce transactions are completed on mobile devices? With the rise of mobile commerce, online brands must pay attention to mobile optimization. That's what we'll talk about today. Welcome to Foxify tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you on how to optimize page designs for mobile commerce with 3 most important techniques. All can be done easily using Foxify Smart Page Builder. Let's get started.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
When it comes to mobile design optimization, one of the most notorious challenges is the limited screen size and resolution of mobile devices. Since most of your website traffic is likely using portable devices, you have to ensure that your content is responsive and adaptable. Page builders nowadays have auto-responsive features, which make sure that all content will be automatically responsive in popular screen sizes. However, in some cases, manual editing is needed for better optimization. Specifically, you have to optimize 3 factors: layout, content, and spacing. That's corresponding to 3 techniques you will be guided in today's video. Technique number 1, use a simple layout. Since mobile devices have small display screen, content elements will work best in a simple layout. To change layout for mobile devices, you firstly need to switch to mobile view. Foxify allows you to do that within a click by using buttons at the top bar, including desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobile. After that, choose the section you want to change the layout. In the right-handed dialog column, you can adjust content position and text alignment to display content well in small screens. Moreover, in some sections where your content elements are stacked like an image banner or slideshows. If you want to show text and button clearly, you can tick Show Content below image to move them to the downside of the image. Another powerful feature of Foxify is the Custom section. You can choose to add it flexibly with various grid layout preset, and custom this layout to adapt with each screen view. At each grid layout, you can add multiple block elements including text, banner, button, menu, etc. to design any section you want and optimize it for each screen view with no limitations. Now, assume that you already choose best fit layout for each screen view. What if you want to make changes to content elements, like adding or deleting some blocks on specific screen? Let's come to the second technique of optimizing page designs for mobile commerce. Technique number 2, customize content visibility. Content elements can sometimes work best in a specific screen view. For example, a large image can only be displayed well in desktop view and should not be displayed in mobile views. Or a phone call button should be shown only in mobile views to not cause confusion for desktop users. Foxify helps you to solve these kind of problems in a single click with the feature named Visibility. You can customize the visibility of a block, a group of blocks, or an entire section. All you have to do is choosing the content elements you want to customize visibility. Then, in the right-handed dialog column, hit Visibility, and enable the screen view you don't want to display content elements. Technique number 3, modify spacing using percentage margin and padding. Sometimes you need to modify margin and padding to suit your content to different screen sizes. But firstly, let's review the concepts of margin and padding. Margin is the space around an element border, while padding is the space between an element's border and the element's content. Before adjusting margin and padding, you need to have a defined plan or layout of the customized designs on different devices so that you can monitor your designs on different screen views. With Foxify, you have multiple ways to modify margin and padding. The easiest way is hovering to the element's border, then drag the margin space with the orange color and the padding space with the green color. Another way to help you fix the margin and padding more precisely is using the spacing section in the right-handed dialog column. Here you can enter the exact value for margin and padding and see the changes in page designs immediately. A pro tip is to consider using percentage units so you won't need to calculate the pixel value for each dimension and your content will be responsive automatically on whatever screen size it is. Modifying percentage margin and padding is a powerful feature that allows you to resize content elements and put them into optimal positions so that your page designs will work the best on each screen view. To sum up, Foxify empowers you to practice mobile optimization effortlessly with 3 techniques. Number 1, use a simple layout to arrange content elements easily. Number 2, customize content visibility to show content elements suitably for different screens. Number 3, modify percentage margin and padding to help content elements scale properly. By combining these 3 techniques, you can create unlimited possibilities and different versions of your pages. We highly recommend you to execute them properly on any page designs to optimize them for mobile commerce. And that's everything for the tutorial today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.